home from the pub on a Friday night, that's going to be an absolute godsend, isn't it? Yeah. You'll go, well, maybe not. Anyway, I love the property, right? It's got more decks than the Cook Strait Ferry. So there's no, lawn. I'll tell you, that's going to take you all of about 3 minutes. Now, the benefit, the old Uncle Gus, the bus that goes past all day long. So you can sever the umbilical cord with the children if required. Where do we say go? Opening bid or offer? I can assure you this is an English-speaking auction, right? So when I say opening bid, 600. 600. Good on you, Chief. Your agent's wearing a great tie as well. It's 600,000 at a bid now. Look, we're under a little 20. 620 straight through the middle. See, guys, if you stall, it just costs you more around here. But at 620,000 with my lady enjoying the chocolate, 640. Would you put up the Beatles for me at 640? Thank you. Look. You guys are going to fit in real good with the neighbourhood around here. At 640. Sorry, what'd you say?
660.
660 on the count. 60. What's at 660,000 at a bit now? You got to put up. I've got 2 nods going now. Yes. 680. Good. Okay. It's 680. At 680, and you have cut me in half. I'm pretty sure I was asking for 20s, wasn't I, Jane? I was. Better English. Anyway. Okay, it's 690. Short and stride, but no problems here. Hey? Otherwise, you go home without a house, he goes home without a paycheck. But it's 690. Is there a little 5? Be fair warned. It's $690,000. Rightio, so what has transpired? This lovely couple centre stage have graciously increased their bid to $700,000. Okay? So on that proviso, we are selling. Don't worry about the police. That's the IRD looking for Damon, but he's looking. We'll let him know later on. So you know what? What about 500? 5 drinking vouchers. Hey?
She's trying. I'll
even go down to a quarter at 250 if you want to. Twice at 700,000. Hold tight, guys. I have to ask. Gee, they're beautiful people around here. The last chance at 780 DC, and now we're talking. She's old-fashioned around here. Or you list with Jason and Jane at 700,000. It is going. Are we sure? And it is sold straight through the middle.